Good morning, students of class 9B. In this period of mathematics, we have started already the chapter 6, that is indices. Indices are exponent. Indices is the plural form of index. Simply, in our daily life, we say that index is the power. We have seen the rule of indices. Those were the product law, division law, identity law, inverse law, etc. etc. On the basis of those rules, now we are going to solve the exercise, that is exercise 6. In question number 1, we are asked to evaluate the following. Roman number 1, Roman number A. Question number 1, question number 1 A. Question is 6 to the power 0. We have studied if power is 0 upon any number, then that will be equal to 1. So 6 to the power 0 equal to 1. Here I have written the reason. If you write the reason beside the result where you are using the property, that is better. I have used the property a to the power 0 equal to 1 that we have studied in the law of indices. I wrote in the bracket. So the result of 6 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now, question number C is 2 to the power cube to the power square, means power upon power. We say this power upon power. So first of all, we will solve these two. 3 square. We know 3 square is 3 into 3, 9. So 2 to the power 9. At first, I repeat, at first I solved this 3 square. 3 square means 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. So base is 2 to the power 9. Means we will multiply 2 9 times. I have written 2 9 times here and I multiplied, I got the result 512. That is the answer. Regarding this question, I want to say there is no rule is given in the laws of indices. So I repeat, at first I solved these two. I solved these two. We got 9. 3 square means 9. Now base is 2. So 2 to the power 9. Now I wrote 2 9 times and multiplied those. I got 512. Question number E. This is 0.008 to the power 2 by 3. So as you know, here rule is written a to the power m by n. Then this n will come here, root over a to the power m. Denominator will come here and root over, symbol of root over, a will be written there and this m will be used as the power of this base a. Same form is there. So this 3 will come here, root over 0.008. This numerator will come as the power, that is the square. Means it became cube root. This is the cube. No, cube. We say this is the cube root. This is cube and with this complete we say cube root of 0.008 whole square. In the second step, this I wrote in the fractional form. 8 by 1000 square is there, so I wrote 2 times 8 by 1000 into 8 by 1000. Then cube root of 8 by 1000 into 8 by 1000. Then in the next step, cube root of 8 I have written as 2 into 2 into 2 by 10 into 10 into 10. So 2 into 2 into 2 became 8, 10 into 10 into 10 became 1000. It became 8 by 1000. Similarly for this also I have written 2 into 2 into 2 by 10 into 10 into 10. If you multiply you will get 8 by 1000. So these two I have written in this way. This is the cube root. So rule says cube root, out of 3 1 will take out. Out of this 3 2 1 2 I have taken out from this cube root. Out of this 3 10 1 10 I have taken out from this cube root. So this simplification became 2 by 10. Similarly, this is also under the cube root. So out of this 3 2 1 2 I have taken out and out of this 3 10 1 10 I have taken out. So this also became 2 by 10. Now we multiply these two. 2 into 2 equal to 4 by 10 into 10 equal to 100. 4 by 100. Now I change it into decimal. That is decimal after 2 digits Here is only one digit. To make it two digit, we will keep 0. So this became 0.04. That is the answer. Now we come to question number Z. Here is 6 root over 25 cube. It means 6 root over 25. We write 3 times because cube is there. 25 into 25 into 25. Now here 6 cube root 25 will be written as 5 into 5. This 25 will be written as 5 into 5. This 25 will be written as 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. There are 6 5s. Here is 6 root over 6 5. So out of this 6 5, 1 6 will come out because 6 is here. So this became 5. 6 root over 25 whole cube equal to 5. In question number 2 also we are asked to evaluate the following. 2a 9 to the power 4 divided by 27 to the power minus 2 by 3. In the first step, I change this negative index in the positive index. To change the negative index in the positive index, we write the reciprocal. So I wrote the reciprocal of this 27. It became 1 by 27. Now this negative index became positive, that is 2 by 3. 1 by 27 to the power 2 by 3. Here, which rule I have used, that I wrote in the bracket, a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. From this means to change the negative index in the positive, we write the reciprocal. Then this negative index will be changed in the positive. I wrote this rule in the bracket. In the next step, 9 to the power 4 is followed as it is, divided by, here these 3 will be used as the cube root and this square will come upon 27. This became cube root of 27 square. Here rule I have written a to the power m by n. If a to the power m by n, then that will be equal to n root over a to the power n. Means denominator will come here and numerator will be used as the power of the base. So same thing I have done here. Now in the next step, it is followed as it is 9 to the power 4 divided by, this became 1 by cube root 27 square will be written 2 times, 27 into 27 because the square is there, so I wrote 27 into 27. Now in the next step, 9 to the power 4 divided by cube root, for this 27 I have written 3 into 3 into 3 and for this 27 I have written 3 into 3 into 3. Now we will remove this cube root, so for that out of this 3, 1 will take out and out of this next 3 will take 1 3 out. So this became 9 to the power 4 divided by 1 by 3 into 3. In this way, cube root is omitted. After omitting this cube root, we come to the next step, 9 to the power 4 divided by 1 by 9. We change this, or directly we can we change this symbol of division, the symbol of multiplication. So for that we have to write the reciprocal of this 1 by 9. Now it will be 9 to the power 4 into, this symbol is changed, the symbol of multiplication, 9 to the power 4 into 9. As you change this symbol in the symbol of multiplication, then we have to write the reciprocal of this, it will be 9. Now we are saying that 9 to the power 4 into 9 equal to 9 to the power 5. As we know, the powers are added. Here one rule is used, that is called the product law, and in product law we say a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. This rule is used here. Here is 1, power is 1. So base is same 9, so the powers will be added, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. 9 to the power 5. Now we simplify this. I wrote 5 times 9 and this multiplication is done here, rough space. 9 times, the multiplication of 9 times of 9, 5 times of 9 will be equal to 59,049. This will be the answer.